guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in. In this video, we are going to tackle the messiness that is inside this fridge. It has been a hot minute since I have come in and did a proper clean out. I have some new bins that I'm going to use for our produce and veggies, so I'm really excited to use them, get this all cleaned out, organized up, and then every time I open this fridge, it's going to feel good and hopefully it's going to get us to eat healthy. Like I said, it has been a hot minute. We're gonna make this look really pretty. We've got to clean some things out. This is yesterday's mocha from Starbucks. I'm not going to drink it today. So we do. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be cleared out. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Then I'm gonna come in and I'm going to wipe out all of the drawers, and then we're gonna put everything back in a nice, clean, organized fashion. I've got some new bins in here. This is what I am going to be using in the fridge. I'm going to put all of our produce in here. I also got a couple of these egg holders just because I think they're so pretty. And over here, I've got some groceries. We've got some oranges, apples, mangoes, lemons, limes, avocados, and we'll get all of this stuff put away.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
right, guys, we are good to go, and I am so happy I took the time to do this today. So we've got our red onions here, we've got our oat milk here. I actually have to get one more because I always like to have one extra, so we'll make room for that right here. And then we've got our carrots here. They are chilling out in water. It'll keep them nice and crunchy. We've got our homemade blackberry jam. We've got the chicken stock back there. We've got ranch dressing. This is my dressing, which is a little bit diluted. I like to add a little bit of water so it makes it a little runnier. And then we've got Rob's ranch back there. We've got grape jelly. We've got some sour cream, salsa, Parmesan cheese. We've got our avocados here. And then we've also got shredded cheese. Our mangoes are there in the back. We've got our peppers. These are serrano peppers and jalapenos. We've got our, no, those are not strawberries. Those are tomatoes. So those are back there. We've got grapes here ready to go. And then we've got limes, eggs, strawberries, broccoli, lemons, apples, oranges, carrots, coleslaw for our salads. We've got fresh cucumbers. These won't last very long here. We love these, dipped in ranch dressing. So we've got this back here. So we've got spinach here, and then we've got the spring mix back there. In this drawer, we have all of our proteins. So we've got salmon, we've got pepperoni back there, and this is chicken breasts. Here we've got our Hello Fresh food in here. And then this is last night's dinner. We just have some roast potatoes and some barbecued pork chops, so yummy. And then in here we have our butter, and I love that we actually have some room in here for extra things. Cheese here, olives, ginger for juicing, and I've got room here for the carrots and the celery because we will be juicing a lot more coming up. We do have a new juicer and I cannot wait to use it. But the first step needed to be that we really needed to kind of get a hold of this fridge because, like I said, it had been a while. I do have, and I just quickly wiped out these trays in here, but we've got these. This door is nice and wiped out. This door also nice and wiped out, so it feels so good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If your fridge needs a clean out and a refresh and maybe a reorganization, I hope that this video gives you a little bit of motivation to get that done. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.